All right, let's simplify this expression together. Now we are given the numerator as square root of a raised to 4 times b raised to 5. Then we have b raised to 1 on 3, multiplying that all over a. Okay, now before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Terry Adam Samuel. I've been teaching high school mathematics for 7 years now. So I have experience in handling the subject. All right. Now let's go back to the question. Now, before we start, anytime we are given square root of x, it is the same as x raised to half. So let's consider this one. So we have a to the power 4, b to the power 5, okay, all raised to half times b to the power 1 and 3 all over a. Okay, so remember when we're given a to the power minus 1, it's the same as 1 over a. So this over a can be written as a to the power 4b to the power 5 all raised to half times b to the power 1 on 3. So times, we can make this side a raised to negative 1 so that it will be linear. Right, so let's go ahead and then simplify what is here. So when we're given x to the power n or to the power 2, these two multiply this one. So this side will be x to the power 2n. So the power here half will affect this 4 and affect this 5. So we have a to the power 4 times half multiplied by b raised to 5 times that. So they are all powers times b to the power 1/3 times a to the power minus 1. All right, so this side will be a to the power 2, since 4 times half is 2, and this side will be b to the power 5 on 2 times b to the power 1 on 3 times a to the power negative 1. So let's go ahead, and then since they are multiplying, we can apply indices here. So we have a to the power 2 times a to the power minus 1 times b to the power 5 on 2 times b to the power 1 on 3. So we can apply indices here. My a will be, so 2 plus minus 1, 1 times, so we have 5 on 2 plus 1 on 3 plus 1 on 3, 6, 3, 15, 2, so we have 17 on 6, so we have b 17 on 6. So the final answer will be ab raised to 17 on 6 as the final answer. All right. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.